Steva sent me this. This is a little one. It's in peach. It's the Bobas. You know, I fell in love with these years ago when I would go get some yogurt and they pop. Let's taste the juice. There's a ton of it in here. It's good. You can put this on ice cream. You can put it on whatever you want. In drinks, alcoholic, non-alcoholic. I usually put it on my frozen yogurt. They're so good. They pop in your mouth. So, here they are. I'm probably going to sit here and eat the whole thing. Oh my God, it tastes just like peach. It's really good. But I'm going to give this to my kids, though. And I'll order some more. It's fine. They sent this little one to me for free. But they come in like the really big ones for like, I think they're $9 if you want them. They're in my TikTok shop, just right there. Do you see it? It's right there underneath my name, Peach Lady 54. Got to refrigerate after opening. I think they put that big sticker on mine on purpose because I usually just leave it out. But I guess you're supposed to refrigerate it. Okay, I don't know.